So I just got this extremely cool watch, the newest Ultra 2 version. Inside the box you do get the watch itself, straps, also a magnetic charger and a tiny manual. And this is how it looks. It's full metal build quality, and actually the build quality of this watch is actually extremely nice. Also, I only paid literally $1 for this watch during some AliExpress offer. I think the regular price is around $6 or $7. So, and actually it's very nicely finished. The back actually feels very nice on this watch. So, and the front also, you got actually fairly good display on this watch. And again, the body basically is all metal, so it actually feels very premium. So, also got this scroll wheel button basically here. And when we scroll here, we can change the watch face basically. Then also we got another button here, which also works, and that basically pull up like some background stuff. Then also on this side we got another button, and this is actually fully customizable to pretty much a lot of actions. So we can set this button to work for a lot of things, different ones. This is what the straps look like. I wouldn't say they are the most premium straps, and also they quite easily fall outside the watch, so they could have been made better. However, I think they look pretty good. This is full metal, and yeah, this you can adjust this pretty much in any hole, so you can simply take it out like this and simply move it forward as you need basically. And the system is pretty good actually. And this is what it looks with the straps installed. I think it looks really stylish actually, and it's yeah, it's a very nice looking watch actually. Just the straps really, I think I will need to put on in a drop of super glue to secure them securely, because otherwise they can almost like very easily slide out. So they're not like real Apple watches that are very secure. So yeah, this mechanism is not the best really. And this is what it looks on my wrist. So I do have fairly small wrists, and I think this watch will fit pretty much any person. The strap is long enough, and yeah, I think it's a good strap when it comes to length. In the specs, they do say that this has AMOLED display. However, I'm not sure if it's AMOLED display actually because of the low price. But when you actually check this watch up close the screen, I think it looks actually extremely nice. This is like literally one of the best Chinese screens I have ever seen. I think the colors actually look incredibly good on this watch. So yeah, it might actually be a good AMOLED display. Well, not the most premium probably AMOLED, but I think it's pretty good display actually. As you can see, the colors are actually very nice. So yeah, basically when you click this, you can get access to all these apps here. There are a bunch of apps here. Also, you can customize like layout view of these apps as well. It has got different views. Then when we swipe like this, we can get access to a bunch of like quick setting things. We can even turn on a flashlight torch, and that's insanely cool. Again, I only pay literally $1 for this watch, so it's absolutely amazing what they can accomplish. Again, that's not like regular price, but regular price I think is like $6 or $7. So you can see, you can change the different layouts, even stuff like that. So that's pretty cool. When we swipe like this, you can get more stuff here. You can see your date, you can click and get the calendar here, check your weather. It doesn't really say anything more, just this current temperature, or maybe like the high and low for the day. I'm not sure exactly. Then also we can again use the scroll wheel in these menus, and it works as you can see. So it says you have taken 9,000 steps. However, this is complete lies. The step counter on this is pretty much useless. It just counts steps as you like briefly move this watch. So don't purchase this watch for a step counter. It's completely garbage. It doesn't work at all. So then also we can actually control the music from your phone here. By the way, this watch does have a speaker here, a very tiny speaker, and the sound actually isn't that good, but you can still hear from it basically as well. I would say the speaker isn't very loud. Yeah, maybe if they put in a bigger speaker, better one, I think that would be absolutely awesome. But at the moment, I think it's only good for like responding to calls. By the way, yes, you can actually take calls on this watch, and also you can call from it. Of course, it will call through your phone, but yeah, it can do that. Then also, as you see, it can even measure your blood pressure and SpO2. However, the sensors on this watch are completely fake, really. As you see, I'm not wearing this watch. It will blink these red lights here and try to fool you and say that it's measuring something. However, as you see, it just spits out a random, believable number. It changes from time to time, so you might think that it's actually working. But again, none of the sensors on this watch are real. On the back here, these are just like red LED lights to try to mimic that it's working. It's not working. And it's the same for other things. It will say it's measuring your blood oxygen. Again, the lights will blink, and in the moment it will say your result. However, again, as you see, I'm not wearing this watch. You can really even measure your heart rate of a potato. Like really, it's a complete scam really, and it's just for show basically. So also some more things, such as you can dial basically from this watch, and it will actually make a call through your phone. And also obviously it does have this microphone and a speaker, so you can actually talk through it. So that's insanely cool actually. Okay, then when we swipe like this, we can get access to our notifications. So pretty much any notifications that comes through on your phone will get displayed here. I don't think you can reply to them, but yeah, you can see them. So when we swipe like this, I think you can dial. Yeah, okay. So when it's like this, I already showed you the things that. But yeah, again, a bunch of things here, such as you can start your stopwatch. So this watch does have quite useful features. So what else we got? This like current heart rate. Again, this is complete scam and fake. It doesn't work. It just spits out a random number. Then it says it has got Facebook, but it's not a Facebook. It's really just like notifications from all notifications. Then again, your like health metrics. Again, these are completely useless really. Do not purchase this watch for like health tracking and exercise tracking. None of that stuff actually works on this watch properly. What else? The weather, I think this is. Yeah, the weather. Okay, what else we got? What is this? Again, the blood oxygen. Stopwatch. It says it can measure sleep. Again, I haven't tested with that, but I don't think it will work. Then also you can do a remote take picture with this like a remote for a camera. I haven't tested that yet, but then obviously a calculator. So you got basic features here, pretty cool actually. Then also you get this SOS feature. So if you actually program the number and if you enable this, it will try to call that number in emergency. Again, very cool feature. And then we can also adjust some settings here. So it does say it has Siri, but it actually just pulls up the assistant on your phone, and you can actually ask through this watch. So again, incredibly cool. So bunch of functions here. Again, we can customize this button here for pretty much any function here. So these are the ones you can customize, and you can quickly launch by pressing this. Again, insanely cool. Also, it does have this always on display as well. So when you don't use it, it will like. Also, you can upload many more watch faces on this watch as well if you actually download the app. I tried, there are like maybe like 50 different watch faces that you can add. So these are some default ones. By the way, I'm not sure about the battery life on this yet. I haven't tested long enough, but I have tested similar watches, and the battery life on them actually are pretty good. Actually, even better than the original like Apple like watches that cost like $1,000, and those only last one day. These last at least a couple days or even few days. So the battery life is actually much better than on those. Again, the display quality is absolutely insanely good. Again, for this price point, yeah, that's crazy. On the back, I didn't show you the back yet properly, but you can see it has different markings here. It says it has got GPS, LTE. That's complete lies, obviously. You can dive with it. Again, I don't dive with this watch, it's not waterproof. And titanium and ceramic case. Yeah, this is not titanium case, it's and sapphire crystal. Again, this is not a sapphire glass display, so this is just some random names they have written. And this is what the always on display looks. I think it disappears after some time, not sure if you can customize it further. Also, it does have this wrist to wake function, so if you move this watch, it will light up the screen, so that's also pretty cool. Overall, I think this watch, for the price you are paying, is insanely cool. Again, this is absolutely crazy what you can get for such a price. Again, it looks absolutely great. If you actually wear it, I think people won't really, they won't be able to tell without actually like using this watch that you got like a Chinese $2 watch on you. It looks absolutely awesome actually. And yeah, it's a very high-end looking watch actually, I think. So if you need a very good looking watch that can tell your time, date, maybe see your notifications, like get some basic stuff like a calculator and even call from this watch again. What else? Like control your camera, check your weather, calculator, yeah, there are a lot of cool stuffs actually on this watch. Oh, also I didn't show you, it does have Snake game where it was, so even like a simple game like this. So how do you play it? But yeah, a very simple game on it as well. So yeah, I really can't fault this watch at the price. Obviously the step counter, it's a complete garbage on this watch. I really wish they actually put in a decent step counter on this watch, and then to be golden. Also the heart rate sensors, they aren't real, but I don't really mind that. I really just wish that the step counter was real, but it's not. As you can see, it's currently counting some random steps as I simply move with it. Yeah, it's completely unusable for that purpose. And yeah, I'm highly impressed with this watch indeed. Again, the straps might need a bit of help from the super glue so they don't fall out on you, but you see they don't really, if you shake like that, maybe if you just like put it on, as you see, they come out very easily. Again, need some help there, but overall, yeah, absolutely amazing. If you want to see more videos like this, then make sure to subscribe. See you.